I am James Danielson, and I'm on the Electrode team here at LG Energy Solutions, Arizona. My current role is advanced technician for the electrode process, which is the beginning stages of battery manufacturing. Currently, I work as a supervisor for our coder installation, making sure we stay on track. Having the opportunity to work for LG Energy Solution Arizona from the ground up is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. I believe batteries are future-proof, and I'm excited to be a part of it. I drive an EV, so I do believe in the product. Helping build the future and provide quality products for everyday people, I believe to be important. I maintain our electrode machines at the beginning of our assembly line by either preventative maintenance or troubleshooting and fixing broken down equipment. Coordinating projects and making sure all parties, LG Energy Solutions and our contractors, are all in unison, solving unforeseen issues that arise and come about in construction. When I see the progress of our construction site and knowing that I had an impact on it. In the short time, I feel I've become more well-rounded, embracing LG Energy Solutions culture and learning our battery making process. Also, learning and witnessing what it takes for a huge construction project like this to come to fruition. After having a meeting with our builders and contractors to coordinate a pathway and time slot to start unloading our coder equipment. They are very forward-thinking. Bringing local and international talent together offers a wider perspective and more avenues to set goals. Great atmosphere. Everyone from any position gathers to eat regularly. You can ask anyone for help. They're more than willing to assist you, or at least find someone who can. It's been easy to make connections with others since everyone's friendly and kind here. If you're going to apply for this role, you need to be able to work well with others and have a good mechanical background. I think you need to work well with others and enjoy Gimbop.